Good morning, world. Happy Labor Day. Good morning to my fellow OFW abroad. Here is the place of OFW 10th place under the bridge here in Mifu. Look. We call it 10th city in Hong Kong. These are the Indonesians OFW here in Hong Kong. They built tent here under the bridge.